No plano interno e buscar apoio junto dos nossos grandes parceiros internacionais.
Kenya pledged to ensure that the vision and goals of OACPS are at the very center of the international engagements and that we become a beacon of hope for multilateralism. This pledge was backed by endorsement of the revised Georgetown Agreement and the Nairobi Nguvu ya Pamoja Declaration, and provided the much needed impetus for the renewal of the organization. Kenya has lived to this expectation. Aside, we are still faced with many challenges amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, peace and security, and the threat of climate change. Our organization is also facing waning faith in meeting the national interests and aspirations of member states. This, coupled with the current fiscal crisis in the organization, is challenging for the Secretary General to implement the decisions of the member states. Most member states are facing economic downtime, but we must move on. I encourage all of us to strive and meet our financial obligations to enable the Secretariat function effectively. Owing to recent developments, we have had to rethink the political value of our partnership with the European Union. Chief among these are regulations that harm our collective interest, unilateral sanctions, and the delayed signing of the post-Cotonou Partnership Agreement. We are also witnessing a new cycle of geopolitical realities. It is time to advocate for the enhanced multilateralism, South-South solidarity, and remain reliable and respected at the global stage.